Good day, viewers at home. We want to look at factorization, that is how to factorize quadratic expressions. When you have an expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are constants, they are just ordinary numbers, then you have a variable whose power here is 2 and here is also 1. We call this kind of expression a quadratic expression. So when you are factorizing, that is, you have to bring out the highest common factor, then you put the rest in brackets. So for you to factorize, it means something must be common to all of them, all the terms. But if you look at what we have on the board here, x squared plus 13x minus 30, you can see that x is common to both this and this, but there is no x in 30. So our aim is to factorize this expression, and since we have just 80 terms, the first thing we should do is to break it into 4 terms. So when we break it into 4 terms, we will now group them in pairs, then we'll factorize. So the first thing to do here is I will list out the factors of 30 in pairs. That is, 1 multiplied by 30 will give me 30. 2 multiplied by 15 will give me 30 also. 3 multiplied by 10 will also give me 30. 4 cannot divide 30. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. And after 5, you can see that it will be 6 multiplied by 5. So since I've written 5 multiplied by 6, then there is no need for me to repeat the factors. So out of these pairs of numbers, of factors, we are to pick one that we can add that will give us plus 13. If you look at, our aim is to get any of these pairs that will give us 13. And when we multiply, we will get minus 30. So that means I will put minus 2 and plus 15. This pair, if I multiply them, minus times plus is minus. 2 times 15, 30. And if I add, minus 2 plus 15 is plus 13. So these are the two numbers I will pick. So I'm now going to replace this plus 13x by these two factors. That is, it will now become x squared. This will no longer be there. It will be minus 2x plus 15x, then minus 30. So now we can see that these 3 terms have become 4. Now we pair them, this and this. What is common to these 2 terms? That is x. You open your bracket, this is x squared, and we already have x outside. So that means I'll be left with x minus, we have x outside already, this one remains 2. You bring down your sign, plus 15 and 30. What is the highest common factor? That is 15. This will remain x. 15 in 30 is 2. And don't forget, these 2 terms or factors must be the same. Whatever you have here is what you should have here. So I'm going to take 1 out of the 2, that is x minus 2. Then these ones outside also, we'll put them in a bracket. So with this now, we have factorized this expression. So this is how to factorize a quadratic expression. Thank you.